All right, you're following along as I read. Why the autumnal equinox doesn't fall on the same day every year. Autumn is right around the corner for everyone in the northern hemisphere. Those in the southern hemisphere are gearing up for warmer spring weather. The seasons change on a day in September, which is known as the autumnal equinox. The equinox is a moment in time that the sun will cross the celestial equator, or an imaginary line that projects Earth's equator into space. In 2021, that moment will be 3:22 p.m. Eastern Time on September 22nd. At this exact moment, the northern and southern hemisphere will receive an equal amount of sunshine. The length of day and night will approximately equal around the world. Day and night depend on Earth. The actual day of the equinox falls on can change every year. Depending on the part of the world in which you live, it could be on September 22nd or 23rd. Take 3 p.m. on September 22nd in New York, for example. The same moment is at 4 a.m. on September 23rd in Japan. Time zones aren't the only source of confusion concerning the date of the equinox. Further complicating our calendars, the autumnal equinox can occur anytime between September 21 and 24th. This happens because of the length of the calendar year, which is 365 days. This is not equal to the time it takes for Earth to travel around the sun. That takes 365 and 2500th days. To make up for this inconsistency, we've added an extra day to the calendar every 4 years. This day is February 29th and is called a leap day. By adding this extra day, we have managed to keep our seasons more or less consistent from year to year. September 21st, equinox will return. However, leap years don't ensure that equinoxes fall on the same date. Leap year causes the equinox to shift a day or two over time. Along with the equinox, the start of fall changes too. The last time the autumnal equinox fell on September 21 was over 1,000 years ago, and the last September 24th equinox was in 1931. While it's been a long time since the equinox occurred on September 21, we can expect to see it happen twice this century, first in 2092 and then in 2096. The next September 24 equinox will be in the year 2303.